Hello YouTubers and welcome back to another video on Steran channel. And I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video, but hey, I'm back in 2024, so let's get to it.
Alright, what's up guys, my name is Keanu and today we'll be teaching you how to make Windows 11 feel like Windows 10. So an example of this is if you're used to the start menu and your app icons being to the left. So what you need to do is open up the start menu, then go to settings.
Oh no!
Right, you get the point. Then click on the personalization thingy, then taskbar, then click on taskbar behaviors, then change your taskbar alignment to the left. So from then on, you can see how the Windows start button and your app icons just move to the left. So if I click on the start menu, you can just see how it's all on the left. Like when I search up something, it's also on the left, just like Windows 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, enjoyed the change, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. So check out Steran's website, got a couple porn videos.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Loading up on there soon. I got a video of myself loading up there soon. Like black type shit. What? Make sure to... Bro, I can't even speak, bro. I cannot speak. Make sure...
Yo, you lagging? Nah! Yo, you lagging? Damn!
Make sure to subscribe to... Who the fuck says subscribe anymore?
Bruh.
Make sure to sub to Steran's channel. And yeah, man. New videos on the way. Peace.